Hi, it's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Take it away, John.
I'm spreading some black, Artist Loft black with silicone in it over the canvas. I'm try to make I think I'm going to make a flower with the blow dryer. Now let me just spread this around a bit. A white 12 by 12 canvas that has been gessoed with black. I find it cheaper to do this than to buy black canvases.
Yeah, it's weird. I wonder why black canvases are more expensive than white canvases.
I don't know.
Because it seems to me it takes more white paint to cover the canvas than it does when you use black, doesn't it? Or no? Am I mistaken?
Depends how much paint you use, I guess. Okay, we're going to start. We're going to be using a bunch of different colors today. We're going to start making a few rings on here. I'm going to start with a school bus yellow. Next to that, we'll use a little of this Prussian blue. Next to that, we use a little of this Craftsmart Pure Pumpkin.
Really?
You know pumpkin?
You're using pure pumpkin, huh? I'm surprised.
Pumpkin. Yeah, I know orange goes forever, right?
That's what you always tell me.
Then we're going to use some of this Master Touch Ocean Green.
I like that color.
Like that color?
Yeah.
That's a pretty color, huh?
Yeah. It's different.
And then we're going to use some diazonine purple. I don't know what we're going to use in the middle. Try some of this little pink. Talking about the middle, a little of this green. And some of this light magenta. Yeah, put a little of this out here too.
Oh.
What? Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna give it a blow. I am with the hair dryer.
I know. Oh. Give it a blow, Johnny boy, give it a blow.
Oh, let's see. Okay. Let's see, give it a spin. What happens if I give it a spin? Round she goes.
It's probably too thick to move around. Just don't get too much paint in that hair dryer because there is paint on it.
Why don't you get paint on it?
I didn't use it,
Oh,
you
come
used
on.
it.
You talking
You got
about?
some bubbles there.
Oh, man, bubbles. Bubbles?
Yeah, see them?
Yeah.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Bubbles.
Oh, you knew a girl in high school named Bubbles, huh?
What's that?
You knew a girl in high school named Bubbles, right?
I did.
We said that she was called that because she chewed gum. Yeah, that's the ticket.
How come this is a 2-speed hair dryer? Oh, there it is. There's 1 speed. Oh. What color is that? Oh, that's green.
Wow, did you water them down?
laugh while I'm at it.
Oh, be careful of the thing.
Or the turbo mode.
I hear that. Ooh, careful.
With what? With what?
I think you hit the camera stand there.
I did. Oh,
So,
yeah. Let's see. Looks like something. I think the moose was here.
what's that?
The moose was here. Usually it's the orange seems to be predominant, but not too much today. Okay. I don't know if I like it or not, but let's try to do something with this here.
Paint looks like it was really thin.
Does? No, I don't think I didn't thin it at all. Interesting. Okay, that's it for now.
Wow, that was a fast one for you.
Haven't decided whether I like it or not, but
Looks like you probably could use some more orange in there.
probably. We'll see what it dries like.
Then you might touch it up again.
May. Never can tell.
Okay.
Around she goes.
How long was that video? Not very long.
10 minutes. There you go. Cutting them down.
How long?
10.
Oh, Okay, well, that was a quick one from Johnny Boy. He's usually slower than molasses. I guess that blow dryer blew him along. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, check out our eBay paintings under username johnhimm, and have a great day. This is Patty and John saying goodbye from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium. Peace.